Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition beauty box from Scalp Beauty and it's one of the 4 hair care edits that was released on early access yesterday and general sale today, and I went for the hair repair box. Unfortunately, one of the boxes is now sold out. It's the hydration edit, but just before filming I had a look online and the remaining 3 boxes are still available. Now they all cost £40 and they all have a value of over £140. The repair edit here has a value of 160. As always, you'll find links to them down below in my description, as well as any codes and offers Scalp Beauty have. Find it listed down there, and you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to then showing you what's inside the hair repair edit. Now I have obviously had a look online because I had to choose which one to go for, and this one just stuck out a little bit more for me. I have got hair extensions in at the moment. They're tape-in extensions. Well, I say at the moment, they've been in my hair since about March time, so they just tape in just around the middle of my hair there, just to thicken up my natural hair because it's very, very fine and thin. So every 6 weeks I just get them moved up basically. Starting off with Living Proof, we got shampoo and conditioner from the Restore range, and the 60 mils there. Okay, so the shampoo is designed to rescue weaker tresses from the brink of dryness and pull others back into realms of hydration. This moisture locking cleanser refreshes and protects your mane. Then the conditioner, made to seal the nourish and deal. This luster boosting conditioner helps protect strands from UV and heat exposure. And then it goes on to telling you a little bit more about them, but that information is on the Scalp Beauty website. So we've got a shampoo and conditioner duo from Living Proof. Then we've got Olex No. 3. This is a pre-wash treatment for your hair. They recommend about once a week, but if you've got really dry hair, then you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. You apply it to damp hair all over and you can leave it on for 10 minutes. You can leave it on for longer. I generally leave it on for longer because I go into the shower, dampen down my hair, put a load in, and then I just potter around then doing whatever I'm doing. So sometimes it's like half an hour or so, and then I think, oh, all right, then okay, I better go and have a shower now, and then I'll wash it off. It is a really nice product, and I do notice a big difference with my hair when I use it. Got Olex No. 3. What is this? We've got Larry King. This is a Spoilt for Choice multitasking hair oil with rosemary. Used as a strengthening, nourishing hair mask, scalp remedy, styling or finishing product. Formulated with a plethora of natural derived oils, including rosemary oil, jojoba oil, argan oil and squalene, all rich in vitamins and minerals to help nourish and strengthen the hair, as well as helping to soothe and revitalise the scalp. That's what it looks like. So let's see. It's hard to describe, but it's not a thick gunky oil, what you'd imagine an oil to be, you know? It's quite a thin liquidy oil. It smells really nice. I just literally just washed my hair and let it dry naturally, so it's looking a bit wild. But yeah, I think just putting a little bit in there, it's tamed it down a little bit. So got a hair oil with rosemary. See if there's anything else in the box so that I can do the other side. We got Briogeo, if that's how you say it. I have received this a few times in different beauty boxes or products from this brand. I never quite know how to say it. It's from the Superfoods range. It's avocado and kiwi mega moisture hair mask, and there's 30 mils there. This mask is a thirst quenching deep conditioner that hydrates dried parched hair. It's fortified with green smoothie inspired phytonutrients like spinach, chia seeds and cocoa butter to help restore and maintain and lock in moisture. I've already got this in my little hair care pile of products ready to use. Smells really nice. Smells like sweets. It does smell nice. So I've got a Superfoods hair mask there. I've got another mask. This is by Oribe, and this is Gold Lust Transformative Mask. There's 50 mils. Like a spa day for worn down tresses. This impressive blend of white tea, baobab and jasmine extracts works together to help restore lost sheen and softness. A mask made with overworked hair in mind. This TLC worthy treatment unlocks healthy looking shine. This one's a little bit thicker than the other one. Oh, but amazing smell. It's not about the smell, I know. Oh, that is gorgeous. I really love the smell of that one. I'd like that smell in a body lotion or a perfume even. Yeah, it's really nice. We've got a hair mask. I have got Virtue. This is quite a pricey brand. This is alpha keratin. It's from the recovery range, damage reverse serum. So it repairs, mends and strengthens, and there's 15 mils there. Crafted to soothe and protect compromised scalps, this peptide powder hair serum works to promote healthier roots and in turn stronger strands. A must-have staple if retaining length, hydration and colour are priorities you don't want to cut corners with. Hair serum. There we've got Philip Kingsley. We've got a bond builder. This is a split end remedy. Repairs, strengthens and protects. There's 50 mils here. Now I have tried this before, but as with a lot of my hair care products, I've got to be honest with you, I just tend to dip in and out of them all the time. Like I'll use different masks, like different heat protection sprays. I just dip in and out all the time. I don't always use things consistently, so I can't really remember what this is like. Bond Builder Split End Remedy helps to protect and strengthen existing bonds and repair broken ones whilst instantly sealing split ends for stronger, visibly healthy hair. With results which last up to 3 weeks, it forms a shield on the hair, helping to prevent future damage caused by UV pollution and heated styling tools. See, I need to use it regularly for longer than 3 weeks, don't I? But I like the sound of it. If any of you have tried it, please let me know what you think and whether you noticed a big difference in using it. And then lastly, we've got some little clips for your hair, and these are in all the boxes. I think they're the same. Hold on, let me have a quick look. No, you'll only get them in the repair edit or the big and bouncy edit, from what I can see anyway. You'd have thought they'd be in all of them, but I can't see them in the other one. Or is it Scalp Solutions edit? But yeah, handy little clips to keep your hair off your face when you're doing masks, skincare, makeup, etc. And yeah, they just don't leave dents then on your hair. £160 worth of products in this box. So I've got some clips. I've got a Bond Builder Split End Remedy Cream. I've got a Goldless Transformative Hair Mask. I've got a Living Proof Restore Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. I've got a Multi-Peptide Damage Reverse Hair Serum by Virtue. I've got Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. A Larry King Spoilt for Choice Multitasking Hair Oil. And lastly, Briogeo Superfoods Hair Mask. A few products in there that I've tried before and some new ones as well. So yeah, so a nice little bundle there for my hair. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did you go for this one or one of the others? Or are you watching this thinking, I'm not too sure? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.